Allplan offers a whole range of tools for carrying out consolidation works related to foundation excavations. For example, we have board pile retaining walls, each with their respective structural reinforcements, as well as the ability to define anchoring tie rods for additional support. We also include Berlin type retaining walls, and furthermore, sheet pile walls are available as well. For each of these, a whole series of improvements have been introduced. For example, regarding the numbering of anchoring tie rods, we now have a range of automated procedures. For Berlin-type retaining walls, we have introduced the ability to manage multiple layers for the infill panels, and in my opinion, the main improvements concern the sheet pile walls. But let's try to see everything directly within Allplan. Here you can see that as far as the retaining walls are concerned, we have introduced a connection system that greatly facilitates the insertion of sheet piles. But let's try to see how everything works in practical terms. So we move into the construction site environment and select the sheet pile wall function, or alternatively, we can easily call it up with a shortcut. Then we move into the palette to carefully decide which type of profile we want to use. So we select the reference profile, carefully define its dimensions, and then I begin drawing my sheet piles one after another, making sure each one is placed in sequence. When there is a curve, the program automatically suggests different types of profiles. So for example, I could select a C14 or perhaps another type depending on what is needed. When I select my type of connection, the program will automatically proceed accordingly. The exact same thing happens when I want to add a diaphragm wall, whether I want to add it as a vertex or as a sheet pile. And thanks to an automatic snapping system, I can immediately call up the type of solution I want. All of this can also be appreciated in an animated context. Another new feature is that directly from Allplan, I have a series of legends and reports that allow me to analyze all the profiles that have been used, their lengths, their surfaces, and their quantities.